In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix icons not showing in your Windows 11 taskbar. So without any further ado, let's begin. The first solution that you need to do is you need to restart your taskbar. So all we can do so at day start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Task Manager. You can also use your keyboard, press Ctrl Shift and Escape key together or ESC. In that way, you'd be able to bring up the Task Manager. So here at the Task Manager, you need to select for processes. And at the first column of processes, you need to find for the Windows Explorer. So your Windows Explorer might be running under the apps or it might be running under the Windows processes. So once you find it, please make a right click and click on Restart. Okay? So the moment you've clicked on restart under Windows Explorer, your taskbar would be restarted as well. In that way, try to check if the icons is now showing this time. However, if not, then we need to move on to the second solution. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. Okay? The second solution that you can do is that you need to navigate here at the start again. Make a right click, scroll up, and click on Settings. And at the settings, you need to navigate to the left pane, find for personalization, click on it. And under the personalization settings, you need to scroll down and find for taskbar. So click on that one. And here at the taskbar, you need to identify those icons that are missing. So by that, you can manually add it here or show it here by navigating to the other system tray icons. Click on this down arrow key here, and eventually you'd be able to see the icons that you would like to turn it on. Okay, so just have to proceed to the icons that you would like to add here at the taskbar. Okay, and just have to navigate to the switch there. Okay, turn it on. In that way, it will be showing up here. Okay, just identify those icons that you would like to show. Once you are satisfied, your problem will be fixed. Okay, finally, the last solution that you can do is that you need to press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'll be able to open a small window called Run. Here, please type for percentage app data percentage. Once done, click on the OK button, and in a few moments, you'd be navigated in this kind of window. Now from here, please navigate to the upper center screen. You will be able to see App Data. Click on that one. And here it will show you three file folders. Please proceed to local, double tapped. The moment you have opened the local, you need to proceed to the center again. You can see their view. Click on that one. Click on show. And from that, you can see their hidden items. Click on it. And eventually you'll be able to see icon cached, which is a database file. So we need to delete this one. So by that, make a right click and then click on this delete icon. Once you've deleted it, you can now hide the hidden folders, go with show, and uncheck this one. Once you're good, close the window and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, your problem will be fixed. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.